Hello guys, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel and welcome to one of my interesting videos about making posters for movies. As you can see, I only need the professor character in this photo and I want to separate it from the rest of the photo, so I delete Berlin, I delete Denver, delete Rio, Tokyo and all of them and just keep the professor. I'm going to design poster for this movie, so I create a high quality poster file in this Photoshop. If you haven't seen this movie, I definitely suggest you watch it because it's very interesting and enigmatic story. Here we have to put some important character in the story in the poster. So we separate them from the other photos and put them here. Of course, behind the professor.
Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel
To make this poster, two colors, red and white, and a combination of bright red and white colors are used. Here's the most color, and the most important color is red. To make the poster more attractive, I will also use the names of the actors in this film and put them as you see them, yes. Well guys, as you can see, this is our final poster. Beautiful and attractive poster for the Lacasadepapel series. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. To support my work, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also put your comments below this video because they are very important to me. I read all of them and answer each of them.